Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing an empties video based on products. I had previously purchased some skincare, some body care, and a little bit of like perfume. So that's it. Okay, so let's get started with this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. So we're gonna start off with body care. The first body care product I have is the Bum Bum Cream by Sol de Janeiro. I bought this during the Sephora annual sale. Not annual sale, the one in the wintertime. And it is empty. Now, the girlies were right. This does smell really, really good. Well, I feel like it smells like kind of like a high-end tanning cream. Related to tanning, related to the beach. It feels tropical. It feels like you should be on the beach when you're wearing this. I like the texture of it, but y'all, this in the wintertime, it's a no for me. My skin was so dry. I would put this on after I would shower, and then like later on, I felt like my back was like cracking from being so dry. So whenever I use this one, I had to pair it with like either petroleum jelly on top or with the body oil on top, but this by itself was not sufficient enough. The kit also came with the body wash, and the body wash is nothing to write home about, but it smells good and it works well. So, but it feels kind of like basic body wash, so I wouldn't go back and purchase this on its own. I would buy this again if it was on sale, but I would buy it on sale, but only use it for maybe like the summertime when I don't need like the moisture I need in the wintertime. So the next product I have that's also semi-related to body would be this perfume. It is the Ralph Lauren Romance. Looks like this. I really enjoyed this perfume. Again, I've mentioned this a couple times. This was my gym perfume back when I used to go into the gym. And it smells nice. It's super light. It feels like this would be a great layering perfume. It's like a light, clean floral. That's what this scent family is. You can also find this at a lot of like Nordstrom racks. I don't know if you can find them at Nordstrom racks as well as like in Sephora, Macy's, Ulta, etc. So this is a great perfume, and I think this would be like great, like also like Mother's Day type of perfume, because I feel like most women would enjoy this perfume given how light it is. So that's Ralph Lauren Romance. Okay, so now let's get into skincare. The first product I have for skincare is these OLEHENRIKSEN Balancing Force Oil Toner. And it looks like this. And this, y'all, was a nay for me. It's a no. I did not like this because I had used this after I used like the purple one, which was like the dark spot corrector. And I found this one to be a little bit basic. Basic. And I would not buy this again. I would take that money and buy the purple one that was for dark spots, but this one didn't really do anything, nothing to write home about, so this is a nay for me. Another skincare product I got off a recommendation from YouTube was this Purity Mask by Philosophy, and it looks like this. It's a Purity Made Simple Pore Extract Mask. It looks like this. I got this, and it's a face mask or it's a scrub. The only problem is this is a kind of more abrasive scrub, so it really reminds me of the St. Ives apricot scrub. And all these skincare estheticians and stuff that I follow on social media say that that is a complete no. So this scrub is a little too abrasive. I think the mask element is fine, but rinsing off the mask, you would be scrubbing your skin a little bit given the little pore beads, like the whatever they use to exfoliate. But you're supposed to use this like twice a week. I felt like my skin, it improved with this, like in terms of dark spots, because it has salicylic acid, but I would not purchase this again because I don't want to damage my skin and like moisture barrier with the particles that are used to exfoliate in this, because there's other exfoliators that are a little bit more gentle. So this is a nay for me. The next skincare product I have that's a yay is this Trader Joe's Marula Facial Oil Cold Press. It looks like this. And you can get this for like $6 or $7 at Trader Joe's. The only issue with this product is it's kind of package heavy. So the packaging covers part of the product. So it looks like this when you kind of get it. The Marula oil comes up to like here, y'all. Like, the containers for this aren't all the way full, just when you get it from the store. But I really like this product. I would put it on my face in the morning time after I cleansed my face, toned it. I'd put this on, and then I put my moisturizer on, and then I put my SPF. And in the wintertime, this was really, really, really great. I don't know how it's gonna do in the summertime, but I really enjoyed this. I'm not really sure how oils work on your face when you put makeup on your face, but I would usually do this on like my no makeup days. Most of my days are no makeup days, but yeah, so this, she's a winner. I like her. The next product I have, also in skincare, would be this Clinique Moisture Surge Intense 72-hour replenishing hydrator. It looks like this. It's quite big. This was, let me see how many ounces this is. I don't know if it tells me on this, but this is a pretty big container, and I use this in the winter time. I really, really enjoyed this product. I'm going to be honest with you guys. This is a greasy product. When I put it on my face felt greasy. So I don't know if you could use this in the morning time. I use this at night. And if you don't like greasy creams, then this might not be for you. But I kind of like the greasy cream. I put this on my face at night, and I wake up and I felt like my skin was plump and enhanced, and I enjoyed this product. The next product I have, also a moisturizer, is this Honey Halo by Farmacy, and it looks like this. It's a light moisturizing cream. I used it in the morning time for my morning routine. I felt like it was nice and light. It has a light, like, honey scent, how you expect natural honey to smell. This is part of Sephora's Clean Beauty, so that's also another factor to keep in. This is like the small size because I got it in a kit, a holiday kit. I enjoyed this product. I would only buy it if it was in another kit. I wouldn't go out of my way to purchase this on its own. So this is like in the middle ground. It's either nay nor yay. So that's this product. The next product I have that I love is this Fresh Sugar Blood Orange Hydrating Lip Balm. It looks like this. It's like one of their lip balms. I would keep this on my desk at my work desk, and I would use this throughout the day. My lips are super plump and hydrated with this, and I love the Sugar Blood Orange scent. It smells really good. It comes like it's red. It's not like a pinky red. No, it's a red. And it's like a strawberry red. How many times am I going to talk about the color? But this is $18. It's a little pricey, but I really love these sugar hydrating lip balms. They're some of my favorites. The next product I have, and the final product I have for skincare, is this SUPERGOOP Play Everyday Lotion SPF 30 with sunflower extract, and it looks like this. I enjoy this product. It was super light on my face, and it was great after a moisturizer. I do like my SPFs that have pumps on them, because I think pumps make my morning routine just that much faster, because you know, like, okay, I'm gonna put 2 pumps on my face every day. But this one, you kind of pour it out on your hand. Oops, sorry. I also wish that this was, I wish this was maybe the liquidness of it is fine. The viscosity is fine. I wish this was a higher SPF. And I know that people say that your SPF, you have to, like, the number defines how often you have to reapply it. Maybe not. Don't fact check me in the comments. I'm okay with being wrong. But I wish this was a higher SPF, because I typically wear, like, in my past, like SPF 50, but granted, I wasn't reapplying my SPF throughout the day. I would put it on once in the day if I was indoors. If I was outside, honestly, y'all, I don't really reapply my SPF. I put it on once. If I'm on the beach or doing something outdoors, I'll reapply my sunblock every 2 hours or every 90 minutes. But if I'm just at home, I just put it on in the morning. Correct me if I'm wrong about that. Okay, so the neave category and the final category for today is hair care products. The first hair care product I have is this Cantu leave-in conditioning cream, and it looks like this. And It looks like this, and it smells kind of, let me see how it smells. It smells kind of like coconuts. It has coconuts in it. It's a leave-in conditioner. This is nothing to write home about. This is just in the middle. It's a solid product that works. My hair felt hydrated. It's just not the best on the market for me. And so because of that, I would get this if like nothing else I needed was on sale. But this is, she's basic. The next product that I really enjoyed was from the main choice, and it was the Ancient Egyptian Cuticle Control Leave-In Lotion, and it looks like this. My hair really enjoyed this. My natural hair. It smells good. It has like this like fragrance to it. It smells kind of perfumey. I like the packaging. I think it's like, it's a little word heavy for me. I don't read all of it, but I use this as a leave-in, and my hair felt really moisturized. And then when I put my leave-in, I mean my oil on top, and I would wake up in the morning, my hair still felt moisturized throughout the day without my hair like randomly feeling hard for whatever reason, for dryness. But yes, so this is a winner. It's just that main choice can be kind of expensive, so try to catch it on sale. But I enjoyed this product. So those are all the products I have for today's video, for my empties, for my spring empties. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please comment down below, what products have you recently emptied, and what reviews do you have of these products that you've emptied? Were they good? What winners did you have? What losers did you have? Let me know. And thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Bye y'all.